happy, and that's the reason we have this blueberry cheesecake. And there's a congrats written. Thank you, Big Little Bombay in Vasai, for getting at this and letting us shoot over in this beautiful ambience over here. And let's begin. Before we start this vlog or this Q&A,
Congrats for your
1.5k subscribers. We have crossed 1500 subscribers on my
Send
channel.
some of them to my channel also, please.
Yes, he also has a channel, but he sings a lot.
Yeah.
हाँ, basically वो BTS करता है और गाने
Cover
गाता है,
songs.
cover songs करता है. So if you want to listen some songs, you can visit his channel. हम लोग 10 questions लेने वाले हैं. It's a BFF tag, जैसे मैंने स्टेफनी के साथ किया था. He's the second one to come on my channel from my BFF list. List मेरी बहुत बड़ी है BFF की. The first question goes over here. How and when did you and your best friend meet?
ओके, गुड क्वेश्चन. तो इसका जवाब ऐसा है कि इसके बर्थडे पे, इट वाज 18th बर्थडे.
It was my 20th birthday.
20th बर्थडे.
It was 6 years ago.
ओके, सो माय फ्रेंड फियोना टुक एंड उसने बोला कि मेरे फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है करके, विल गो. मैंने बोला ठीक है, चलो जाते हैं, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
एंड इसको पता नहीं था किसका बर्थडे
कौन
है. ये
है,
सिर्फ मुंह उठा
क्या
के चल के
है?
आ गया मेरे
आ
बर्थडे
जाते
पार्टी
हैं
के
अभी,
लिए.
कोई बुलाएगा तो ना नहीं बोलते ना.
बस.
So that's the reason I am here for 7 years.
यस 6 years. और हम लोग दोस्त बने मेरे बर्थडे के दिन ही. तो जब भी मेरा बर्थडे है उसी दिन हमारा फ्रेंडशिप डे काउंट होता है.
Yeah.
सो 6 years to our friendship. 20th birthday से 26th
all
birthday
thanks
तक.
to Fiona.
Yeah, Fiona.
And Sweetie was there, right?
Yeah, Sweetie and Fiona, you guys came together.
We came together. Okay.
Yeah. Second question ये आता है. What was your first impression of them?
First impression was like you were standing दूर and cutting a cake, or just like
You guys came in late.
Fiona told me that she's my good friend. She's मुन्मयी. उसका बर्थडे है आज. मैंने बोला ये है. मैंने बोला आँख तो बहुत मस्त है इसकी ना. And then उतना ही.
And my impression towards him was like, I don't know. I was like, किसको कौन है ये? Like it was my birthday, right? So I should know people who are there in my birthday. Already हम लोग कितने 16 लोग थे बर्थडे के लिए. उसमें
all were girls.
All were
and
girls.
one
Only
was guy.
two boys. There were two boys. No, there are 3 boys.
Who 3?
There were 3 boys, and the rest of all were girls. What is your favorite memory together? This is the third question.
There are many, but I could say.
Which is your favorite?
Favorite one, I could say Uttan Beach.
हाँ.
When we all went, I guess.
हम सब मतलब एक और है, हम लोग अर्नाला साथ में गए थे आफ्टर माई बर्थडे.
Yeah, even Arnala was.
या इट वॉज अर्नाला आफ्टर माई बर्थडे. हम लोग सब लोग गए थे. और उसके बाद बहुत महीनों के बाद, आई गेस 6 महीने के बाद हम लोग उत्तन भी गए थे.
Yeah.
तब मैं शरौन स्वीटी और ये हम लोग गए थे. तो वो वाली मेमोरी जो उत्तन वाली है, बेस्ट मेमोरी है.
Yeah.
So the fourth question comes here. If you and your best friend could live anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why?
Washington.
Yeah, like I prefer Seattle or Washington
Yeah,
DC, and even he has the same preference. Why? Why? Because I would have been a good YouTuber and a vlogger.
And I would have been a good singer there. I could have got many models who would make a cover song with me.
Yeah, that's a place to for YouTubers and for influencers.
Yeah.
As of now. The fifth question is, what's your best friend's favorite song?
Yeah.
So since I know him, उसके टाइम से ही इज़ अ सिंगर, तो ये हमेशा गुनगुनाता रहता मेरे कान में, लाइक अ बजिंग बी, व्हिच आई गेट
कान में आकर नहीं गुनगुनाता मैं, कि सुन करके.
व्हिच आई गेट पिस्ड ऑफ.
Okay.
सो बट 2021 में जब से उसको मिली हूँ मैं, मार्च में हम लोग पहली बार मिले थे. एंड द ओनली सॉन्ग ही इज हमिंग इज
आँखों में दिखता जो प्यार मुझे, मेरी आँखों में भी तुझे दिखता है क्या. बट दिस सॉन्ग इज टेम्पररी फेवरेट बिकॉज एवरी टाइम माई सॉन्ग्स का लिस्ट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. ये फेवरेट अभी कब तक है आई डोंट नो, इट माइट चेंज वेरी सून. या दैट्स इट.
और मेरा कौन सा फेवरेट है?
दिल लकीरें जिसमें ज़ाहिर नाम नहीं मेरा, लिख रहा हूँ दर्द सारे यूँ तो शायर नाम नहीं मेरा, असल में तुम नहीं हो मेरे
नहीं हो मेरे।
लेकिन आप सब्सक्राइबर इसके हो तो लाइक कर दो, शेयर कमेंट कर दो, एंड ऑल्सो चेक माई चैनल, लिंक इज डाउन, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल ऑल्सो.
सब्सक्राइब कर दो प्लीज. We have 6 question over here. Have you ever taken a trip together?
Well, yes, but our trips were in Bharatiya Railway, Indian Railways.
From Churchgate
Yeah.
to Vasai.
Vasai.
Or Churchgate to Bhayandar.
Yeah.
We have not
Even AC
traveled
local,
anywhere.
right?
AC local. That was the first AC
Yeah,
local
first
travel by
local.
me.
Yeah,
with
I was
me.
very used to that AC train.
Yeah, I
But,
wasn't,
yeah.
but that was the very first time I
The,
was
the
in a train. AC
reason,
train.
guys, behind that is that train is a very fastest mode of reaching to Bombay as compared to that nonsense traffic. But we will soon be planning to go somewhere
Yeah, we
in
are
Lonavala
planning
or
very
somewhere.
soon to go for a road
But
trip.
not by Bharatiya Railway. We'll be
We
go
are
by.
going a road trip, and
Yeah,
he's
by
going to
car.
drive.
But obviously, I cannot risk my life by giving the steering in a.
This is the 8th question we are going ahead with. 8th or 7th?
एक एक्स्ट्रा आ गया तो क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
हाँ,
Continue.
because I have lost my count over
Yeah.
here. What does your best friend always
Yeah.
carry around wherever they go? क्या हमेशा
You know
कैरी
that
करता
very
है?
well about me.
जो उसने पहना है ना,
I
ये
am
jacket.
very fond of jackets.
भाई साहब 6 साल से जैकेट और
No,
भी
but
इसी
jacket
शेड में,
change किया ऐसे नहीं कि जैकेट लेके घूमता
पर इसी शेड में तू लेता है हमेशा, और
Yeah.
ब्लैक कलर, और उसको जैकेट इतने
Yeah, I
पसंद
love
है ना
jackets.
कि उसको और कुछ नहीं पसंद, बस जैकेट दिलवा दो इसको गिफ्ट करने किसी. कोई भी लड़की इसको डेट करना चाहती है, आगे जाके डेट करेगी, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस पीस ऑफ एडवाइस फ्रॉम मी, गिफ्ट हिम अ जैकेट. And what is my thing? What I carry besides phone and
You
keys?
always see these days you are carrying a tripod and a phone. That is a thing.
See, I
but
mentioned.
apart from that,
What do I carry?
you always carry your bag. Actually, I have noticed that you always need a bag. I just ask you why. These are the bottle and some stuff you want to always carry with it because you don't want in a hand. So
मैं basically carry handbags use नहीं करती. I just take
Yeah.
a backpack.
right.
So I'm a
because
person.
इसके हाथ free रहे. It's a good idea.
I don't like.
I always carry a bag. That's why. Just for a border also. That's
बस
the
जरूरी है
reason.
पानी. What is your best friend really good at?
First you answering or I should answer?
You answer about me
Okay.
first.
The good thing that whenever if there is a plan, वो टोपा नहीं देगी, आ जाएगी. This is the good thing. And व्लॉग तो अच्छा हो जाता है, उसमें कोई बात भी नहीं है. I haven't seen her acting yet apart from TikTok. I will soon be taking her as a actress of my song.
ऐसे
Yeah.
बोल रहा है जैसे कि ये डायरेक्टर है और मुझे एक्टिंग के लिए पूछ
फीलिंग तो
रहा है.
हम वही रखते हैं.
About you, same thing. He is good at coming not on time.
हेलो.
He always
You can
comes
ask the whole
5
world.
minutes late. When it
5
comes to
is
me.
okay.
When
I
it
have
comes
seen
to me.
people coming 1 hour late. I won't take
I
the
don't give
names.
a F about them. I do give a F about me.
Yeah.
So he always come by 10, 5 minutes late. Like today also he arrived
5 minutes. 5,
late.
4 minutes
जबकि वो
late.
बाजू में ही रहता हूँ, मैं कहाँ से आई
कहाँ
हूँ?
पे? मेरे को नहीं पता बाजू में मेरा घर है.
Shut up. And another thing good is that he's always there. He's always there, no matter like what situation I have been through. Like he has seen me on my lowest and my highest in last 6 years. Let's go with the another second last question. If your best friend is single, describe your dream partner. As of now, we both are single. Hell single. And according to me, his dream partner
Yeah.
should be someone like bubbly, outgoing, should understand him. Like we always girls say कि लड़के ने हम लोग को अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना चाहिए, but at times लड़के को भी किसी ने अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना चाहिए. So a
Yeah.
person needs it, especially him. So उसका नेचर ऐसा है कि he is very friendly. He is like he's just a giver. He's not a taker. He's a giver person. So he needs someone who will balance him in the same way.
Getting
will handle him.
the thing which you are describing, no, makes fully sense. I totally agree with all these things. But finding that girl
Yeah.
who can handle me, till now I have been handling all my X's and Y's and Z. That's okay. But when it comes to handling me, I don't know if
It's
I get
written in
someone.
universe. We are no one to get
Yeah.
our partners by ourselves. जो भी आता है वो डेस्टिनी से आता है. So how you want a guy for me? Like, what do you think my partner should be like?
See, your partner should be like, first of all, apart from everything, who can handle your mood swings. Only the one requirement which can stable a relationship, I feel. And rest, loving, caring to aa hi jayega.
According
And
to my
especially she
previous-
wants to listen one thing, I feel that we should get a guy who's like Vicky Kaushal. Is it?
Husband material.
Husband material, but destiny, you never know.
As question comes here, who
Yeah.
is more annoying?
See guys, now my friends watching my video, if anyone, will but obviously say he's not that annoying.
Hey, hello.
Yeah, I'm not annoying.
Hey,
You are
hello.
annoying.
You are annoying.
See,
You are annoying.
This
not
starts.
me.
See, I'm not saying anything. Argument शुरू हुआ ना. Now you only guys can comment who is more annoying. Comment
He
down.
is annoying.
I am very chill. See how the
He's
expression
not
she's
chill.
giving.
I know him because I handle him when I'm with him. I know what his mood swings are. Like he's talking about my mood swings. My
Okay
सबके
guys,
mood
I'm
swings नहीं
annoying.
पता है.
I'm just saying this because someone is getting more annoying and annoying and annoying.
Shut up, I'm not annoying. You are annoying.
We both are annoying. Before going, I would like to tell you one joke. Which is the coolest letter in all the alphabet? Think and answer me.
Coolest
Coolest alphabet among
letter in
yeah
coolest.
letters, yeah. Which?
C.
Why?
Coolest. C से चालू होता है.
She? No. This is not a MCQ question. You can directly say I don't know. You can answer.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, the coolest word is B. Can you guess why? Just because it is between AC. Now see who's annoying. I made a very good joke and see the reaction, guys. You can see the reaction, which makes no sense.
You tell me who the hell is annoying over here.
This-
Like, who the hell makes a joke?
ये joke मेरे friend ने मेरे को सुनाया था. Even
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon and like and comment down. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.